This is how I play the Glow Part 2 by the Microphones on guitar. So what you're going to want to do is put a capo on the first fret. These are the chords for the intro. So you play an E minor, and then you put your pinky on the 5th fret on the 4th string like this, and then you keep your first finger on the 3rd fret like this. And it makes this weird chord. I don't know what this chord is called, so I'm just going to explain where you need to put your fingers. So it's like this. And then the other chord you're going to want to play, it's like a C chord, but instead of putting your first finger on the 2nd fret right here, you put it like this. You put your middle finger on the 4th fret on the 1st string. So it's like this weird C, G chord. I don't know what it's called. So it's like that. So it's like. And then you just play it like this. So that's how you play the intro. I'll show you how to play the verse now. So for the verse, it's an E minor chord, and then B minor, and then the weird C, G chord thing that I mentioned earlier. So it's like this. And you play that throughout the song for the verses. Those are pretty much all the chords you play. It would be like this. I took my shirt off in the yard. No one saw that the skin on my shoulders was golden. You just repeat that throughout the whole song. The only part that's different after that is the ending. I don't know the strumming patterns of these parts. I don't know, I just do it by ear. So I'm not sure what it is, but you can just listen to it and try to imitate it. So for the ending, it's you put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the 6th string, and you hammer it on, and you leave the other strings open. So it's like, and you're gonna want to pluck the 3 bottom strings like this, and then you're gonna want to put your first finger on the 3rd fret on the 5th string, and then your pinky on the 5th fret on the 4th string. So it's like the same chord thing we played earlier. So it's like this. For this, you hammer your first finger on the 3rd fret, and then like this. And then you play that weird C, G chord that we played earlier. It's like. So you basically just hammer on for all those parts. It's like, so you place your finger and then you let it go really fast to make it ring out like that. I hear that on the recording and I just play it like that because that's what the recording sounds like. So it's like. If you want it to sound like the original recording, you're gonna need to tune your guitar very sharp, and it's not gonna be in tune. And I'm too lazy for that, so I just put a capo on the 1st fret, and it sounds pretty similar. So that's how I play the Glow Part 2 by the Microphones. This tutorial is gonna be pretty bad because I don't make tutorials, but yeah, I hope this helped you. Bye.